Assalamu alaikum students, good morning everyone. Welcome to class 7th science. Myself Samreen, I am from United Public School Tandoor. Students, let's recap the previous topic. 8th chapter name is air, winds and cyclone. What is 8th chapter name? Yes, air, winds and cyclone. What is winds? Yes, moving of air is called winds. And cyclone means, a cyclone is a general term for a weather system in which winds rotate inwardly to an area of low atmospheric pressure. Now today, and students, the air around us is rarely still. It moves continuously from one direction to another. The movement is in many directions. This is what we call, yes, this is winds. Direction of air is called winds. So we know that wind is moving air. And we was studied. Let us do 1 and now let us do 2. So let's see. Let us do 2. Today topic, let us do 2. Fill a bucket with water. Take a bottle with narrow mouth and immerse it in the bucket till it fills with water. Students, first take a bucket of water and take a bottle in narrow mouth and immerse it in the bucket. First you dip the empty bottle and after that fills water in this. So would it be correct to say that a glass or bottle that we think is empty is actually full of air? Students, any bottle, glass or any other container that appear empty is actually full of air. Actually, it is full of air. Nothing can be added to it unless the air inside is first removed the air, and it is only when some air is removed that something else can enter. Air occupies the space around us. Air covers the place and air occupies space. And next topic, does air exert pressure? Students, already I told you air occupies space, and now does air exert pressure? So let's see. You know that the bicycle tube or tube of any other vehicles can burst when it is overfilled with air. So your friends on how the air is vehicle tubes keeps them in shape. Take a balloon and fill it with air. Keep blowing more and more air into it. What would eventually happen? The balloon expands and after a point bursts. When we add more air in the balloon, after some time balloon is burst. Why this happen and why does it burst? It means air exert pressure. For example, these may include a balloon being filled with air, the air-filled football that become hard, water racing through a hand pump, the tubes of cycle, scooter or car, and so many examples. We can see that the air exert pressure. Now today topic, let's see. Students, already I told you air occupy space and air exert pressure. And now air expands on heating. So let's see how the air expands on heating. Let us do 4. First take an empty injection bottle and one empty ball point refill. Remove the pin of the refill and insert one of its end in the cork of the injection bottle as shown in figure 5. Put a water drop on the upper end of the refill. Rub your hands together so that they become warm. Carefully pick up the bottle and hold it in both your hands for some time. First, students take a 2 empty injection bottle and put in refill, insert on the ends of the cork of injection bottle and put water drop on the rubber end of the refill and rub your hands together so that they become warm. Carefully pick up the bottle and hold it both your hands for some time so that the bottle also become warm. Now keep this bottle in cold water and observe what happens to the drop. Why does this happen? So we are observe here the water become hot due to our hands warmness. And one more activity, let us do 5 for your better understand. So let's see, let us do 5. Hot air is lighter than cold air. So take 2 paper bags on empty paper cup of the same size. Take a broomstick, hang the 2 bags in the inverted position on the 2 ends of broomstick. Tie piece of thread in the middle of the stick. Hang the 2 bags in the inverted position on the 2 ends of the broomstick. Tie a piece of thread in the middle of the stick. Hold the stick by the thread like a wagging balance. Put a burning candle below on the bags as shown in the figure 6b and observe what happens. Note here that we have used paper bags or cups. They are lightweight and it would be the easier to see the result of this experiment if we take any such light objects to hang on the thread. We observe here when air is hot, it is a lighter. Hot is a lighter. When we heat the air, it is a lighter. It means hot air is lighter than cold air. Now time for assignment, today homework. So homework, first question, explain why holes are made in burners and hoarding hanging open. So you have write the answer. Explain why holes are made in burners and hoardings hanging in the open. You have right answer to this assignment. Thank you.